tell you all about ARTyRV.com. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that magazine or that website, but they have a really interesting article about decorative glass and the trends in the industry as to the popularity of the comeback of stained glass.
Right.
So go to ARTyRV.com and look for the article, Decorative Glass Trends in Modern Interiors. And it talks about the fusion of art and architecture, and it talks about stained glass, how it's making a big comeback.
So hang on, guys. There we go.
And how people are really searching out new textures, and they love the feel, and they love to engage with the textured glass and how visually appealing stained glass is. A great article, talks about all kinds of glass, and you can use it when you talk to your customers about
what glass does in light,
right?
You know, how
and
it
how
refracts.
stained glass is becoming trendy. Who knew that stained glass would make a comeback?
Right.
So,
Right.
And they did talk about that a lot of the new designs are abstract. So think about how you can put a little bit of abstract into your work, maybe.